Having witnesses, or even having one witness to support your workplace discrimination or wrongful termination case, can make that case much stronger. Imagine if you have a witness, let's say a former coworker, who can truthfully testify and confirm that they heard your manager, the same manager who fired you, say that he's really tired of your request for medical leave, or he's really tired of your request for an accommodation to your disability, or that that manager really wants someone younger in your position, or someone of a different race or religion. This type of information is going to make your case much stronger for any type of settlement or even for trial. Now, why is that? The reason for this is because the majority of employment cases involve he said, she said situation, especially discrimination and harassment cases where you make an allegation that your manager said something, but of course that manager denies that. So the judge, the jury are left with deciding who to believe. But if you have even one witness who is willing to support and corroborate your side of the story, this will tip the scales of that situation in your favor significantly. And this will make it so much easier for you to prove your case. Now, the employer and their lawyers know that. So the moment that they see that there is a corroboration to your story, to your allegations, they will be much more motivated to settle the case. And even if not, this type of information will equip you so much better to do really well at trial. Now, you might say, well, I don't think my former coworkers are going to be willing to talk to me. They're still working for the same employer. They will be afraid of retaliation. You might be right, but it doesn't hurt to ask, and it doesn't cost anything to ask. Now, I don't like forcing people to testify under subpoena because I know these people, these witnesses will not tell me what I want to hear or what I really want. They're just going to deny everything if they're afraid of retaliation, but it doesn't hurt to ask. You never know, and you might be surprised how many people are willing to help more than you could ever imagine. How many people's lives have changed and their situation has changed. Maybe they don't care about being retaliated. Maybe they're ready to leave that employer anyway and they're looking for other opportunities. Maybe they left already and you simply don't know that. So it doesn't hurt to ask. Worst case scenario, they're going to say, no, I don't want to be involved, or they're not going to return your phone call, your email, your text message. That's fine. But even finding one witness who will support your allegations and your case can make a difference between having a weak case or a weaker case and having a strong case, or even having no significant serious basis for a case versus having a clear basis for a case. So in case your lawyer didn't ask you for witness information, think about what witnesses can support your allegations, what coworkers can possibly have heard statements by the management relating to your discrimination, your termination, who could possibly have emails or text messages that could be relevant to what happened to you, and it could really help your case.